Hey everyone, welcome back to Robo Army. Imagine a dustbin that says feed me and automatically opens the moment you bring your hand near it. Sounds cool? Right. Welcome back to Robo Army. Now in today's tutorial, we will build this fun and practical automatic smart dustbin using an Arduino Uno, an IR sensor, a servo motor and an LED. By the end of this video, we'll have a touch-free smart dustbin that opens and closes automatically. So let's get started. Components required: Arduino Uno, IR sensor modules, servo motor, jumper wires, USB cable, laptop with Arduino IDE, dustbin or cardboard model. Socket connection. First connect the IR sensor. Connect IR sensor VCC to Arduino 5V. Connect IR sensor GND to Arduino GND. Connect IR sensor out to Arduino digital pin 2. Now connect the servo motor. Connect the servo signal wire, usually orange or yellow, to Arduino digital pin 9. Connect the servo red wire to Arduino 5V. Connect the servo brown or black wire to Arduino GND. Now, how it works? The IR sensor continuously checks for a hand or object near the dustbin. When an object is detected, at the same time, the servo slowly moves from 0 degree to 60 degrees and opens the lid. As long as the object remains near the sensor, the lid stays open. When the object is removed, the Arduino waits for 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, the servo slowly returns to 0 degrees and closes the lid. A code review. The servo library is used to control the servo motor. The IR sensor is connected to pin 2. The servo motor is connected to pin 9. The initial servo position is 0 degrees and the open position is 60 degrees. The servo speed value controls how slowly the lead moves. A higher value makes the movement slower while a lower value makes it faster. The close delay is set to 2000 milliseconds, which is equal to 2 seconds. The move servo slowly function moves the servo 1 degree at a time, creating smooth opening and closing movement. Uploading the code. Now connect the Arduino Uno to your laptop using a USB cable. Go to Tools, select Arduino Uno as the port and select the correct COM port. Click Upload. Hand near the IR sensor, the LED will turn on for 3 seconds and the dustbin lid will slowly open. Remove your hand, the lid will wait for 2 seconds and then slowly close. And that's it. Our Arduino Uno Automatic Smart Dustbin is ready. This project is a simple way to understand IR sensing, servo motor control, LED timing, and touch-free automation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Robo Army. We'll see you in the next video.
Robo Army. One-stop global community for teens in robotics and AI.